Hi everyone, Craig Garenti from Palisade Compliance. Now we all know in January of 2023, Oracle made some pretty significant changes to how they license Java. Where they used to license it by named users and processors, they now license it by employee. And what's worse is you need a license for every employee in your company, even if only one person is using Java. So we've seen some pretty crazy price increases from $20,000 all the way going up to $2 million for some unfortunate Oracle customers. Now, when Oracle made that announcement, they made it pretty clear that if you bought your licenses under the old metric, so if you bought 100 processors, you could renew those 100 processors. Well, guess what? Like Oracle does all the time, they slipped in a little change a few months later. So this summer, 2023, Oracle now added a three-step hurdle for you to actually renew the licenses that you have. So step number one is if you want to renew those licenses, you have to have something in your contract that says you can renew them. Now, the reality is most Oracle Java contracts don't have a right to renew provision. So that's step one. Step two is you got to go through some crazy audit with Oracle. According to Oracle's FAQ, you need to send Oracle all this information so they can validate that you're using the right number of licenses. Now, guess what Oracle's going to do? It's going to be an audit, and they're going to try to find you out of compliance and force you into the new model. They're going to pull out the non-contractual virtualization stuff that they try to pull on you for database, and they're going to try to use it for Java. Okay, so if you pass number one and you have a contractual right to renew, and you pass number two and you pass the audit, then number three is Oracle still has to approve it. So you can go through the first two hurdles, and then Oracle can say, nah, you've given us all this information, but we don't approve it. So if you want to continue to using the paid functions of Java, you need to give us a lot of money, and we know exactly how many employees you have now. So I think it's pretty crazy stuff, especially for something that years ago used to be free. Oracle, when they made the crazy change in January, they did provide some comfort to customers under the old licenses, but they pulled the rug out from under you there, and now they're going to require that you go through this three-step process. Pretty crazy stuff. So if you are an Oracle Java legacy client and you're in that position, you can reach out to us at Palisade Compliance. We've actually helped customers navigate through this already and to get them to the point where they could renew under the old model or try a different model that's not enterprise-based. So there are still other ways to license Java. We do this all the time. Palisade Compliance is 100% independent of Oracle, and we just work for you. So if you have Oracle Java and you're worried about your compliance position, please give us a call. Thanks, everyone, and good luck with Oracle.